Okay, let's see what letter it is. Okay, Nate, here's the candy, alright? You have to tell me what the letter is. What letter is this?
M.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
Alright, it is an M. You get to eat the candy. Okay, let's see what yours is. What is it?
M.
That's right. There you go. I'm gonna have to make this harder. I only did 2 letters. You guys are picking up on it pretty fast. Where did I put the other boxes? I don't know. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 4 more boxes.
Yeah, let me see.
You wanna see? It's you. Say hello.
Hello.
You gotta go find a box if you want more.
Let's see. Wrong with it?